Rare corner section opportunity at Lake Viking. Lot 2050 on Admiral Dining Room. At Lake Viking offers a prime location within the community. Conveniently situated near the main entrance, clubhouse, swimming pool, beach 1, boat launch ramp, and marina, this lot provides easy access to many of Lake Viking's most popular amenities. Priced at $4,600, this is one of the most affordable opportunities to become a property owner at Lake Viking. The lot is ideal for a shelter, boat storage, or future new home build. Ownership at Lake Viking includes full access to all community amenities, including the private lake, clubhouse, swimming pool, marina, boat launches, beaches. There are also 2 campgrounds located within Lake Viking. With approximately 19 miles of paved roads, the community is perfect for cruising by golf cart or side-by-side and enjoying the lake lifestyle. For expanded possibilities, adjacent Lot 2051 is also available for purchase through the Lake Viking Association. Purchasing both lots would provide nearly 1 acre of prime land in this highly sought-after private lake community.